Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I'm Miriam and I'm here today with a Young Living unboxing. I'm super excited. I just can't wait to even blow dry my hair to get this box unpacked. So my haul, my Essential Rewards haul is small for the month of March, but my April haul is going to come up sooner rather than later because I just actually processed it. So anyway, that haul is going to be a lot bigger. So the first thing I got this month is the Seedlings baby wipes. My upline leader has been doing a home detox challenge, and for March it was the laundry room, and she said you can use these lavender scented baby wipes for dryer sheets. So I thought, hey, I have a baby, I have lots of wipes, but I'm gonna try using these as dryer sheets, and if I don't like it, I can use it also on my baby and see how it is and whether this would be something that I might purchase in the future to use as a gift. So these ones are very clean. They have, as far as the oils, they have lavender oil and I think that's bergamot oil, ylang ylang oil, geranium oil, coriander oil. They also have aloe vera in here and witch hazel and some fruit extracts and a little bit of glycerin and a couple other ingredients. But a very clean list, and I like that these might be a really good option to use because of the aloe vera and just having the just healthy skin, the properties for just promoting really healthy skin. So I like that. I'm looking forward to trying this out. I also would feel okay using this on the face as well for my babies. Next, I have Thieves Toothpaste. This is the Denta Aroma Plus Thieves Toothpaste. I got 2 tubes of it. I'm really excited to try this out as a toothpaste, but I'm also excited to try this out as a deodorant. I've heard people use this as a deodorant. They've just put a small amount on their finger and just rubbed it under their pits. So kind of crazy, but I thought, hey, wouldn't that be kind of nice, because then I can use it as toothpaste and deodorant, only one product. So yeah, I'm going to be trying that out and seeing how that works, especially this summer. But I'm super excited to get our old toothpaste out and to be using this. I've been actually using my kids' Kid Scent toothpaste. So I'm excited to try this, and it's citrus flavored, and oh, it has a seal on it, but I'll smell it later. So I will let you know how I like all these products, and so the last one, yay! So I will let you know how I like all these products and be reviewing them on my channel. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. And you don't miss next month's video either. For well, actually later this month. So you don't miss later this month, April's Essential Rewards haul. This is a lot smaller. I mean, I know that it wasn't that many ounces, but it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. This is the Thieves Laundry Soap. I've heard really good things about this, that this works good for cleaning your laundry, even diapers, even washing diapers. So I'm excited about having an all-purpose laundry detergent that I can use for all kinds of my laundry, you know, everything. And This says laundry soap, but it's actually a detergent, and it's super concentrated. You can see like this cap is way smaller. It smells good. It smells just like the Thieves. I think it smells just like the Thieves dish soap. So this cap is way smaller than a normal like laundry cap that would be on like Tide or whatever. So it's a much smaller one. I have a really small washer, and I've been on Facebook when people have been talking about how much they use. A lot of people use only a quarter to a half of this cup. So I think I could use like an eighth to a quarter of this cup for each load. So I will be trying that out. I'm sorry the lighting's so bad in this video. It's really early morning. So Thieves laundry soap. Super excited. I'm using up the last of my big jug of laundry soap from Costco, and then I will be switching over to the Thieves laundry soap, and I'm super excited to be sharing that with you. So that's it. I didn't actually get any oils this month, but next month I will have a bigger shipment and be getting some oils, because I know I'll be getting 3 freebies for the month of April. And so give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you soon with my grocery haul on Thursday, and then next Monday I will have another video coming up, and probably 2 Mondays, like in 2 weeks from seeing this video, you will actually see my April Essential Rewards haul. Have a good day. Bye.